Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add categories in Squarespace. This is a great way to organize your blog content and make it easier for your readers to find exactly what they're looking for. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and content. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites connected to your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add categories. This is important because if you manage multiple sites, you want to make sure you're working on the right one. Clicking it will open up that specific site's editing interface. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu with several options. Click on Website and then directly underneath it, click on Pages. This section is where all your site's pages are organized, including your blog, which is what we're focusing on today. Take a moment to locate your blog page in the list. Once you've found it, go ahead and click it. This will open up the blog overview, which gives you access to all your blog posts and their settings. In the blog overview, browse through your posts and choose the specific blog post where you want to add a category. When you've selected it, click the three dots beside that post. This will reveal a small menu, and from there, click Settings. This opens up the detailed settings for that particular blog post. You'll now see the blog post settings panel on the left side of your screen. Here, click on Options. This section contains various customization features for your post, including the ability to manage categories. Within the options, you'll find a field labeled Categories. Click on it to expand the category settings. Now you'll see a field that says Add Categories here. This is where the magic happens. Simply type in the name of your new category. Think about what makes sense for your content and what will help your readers navigate your blog more effectively. Once you've typed in your category name, hit Enter to confirm it. After adding your category, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the settings panel. This ensures that all your changes are applied to the blog post and your new category is now active on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added categories to your Squarespace blog, making your content more organized and accessible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.